$10 says that doesn't line up even remotely close.
Oh! You missed the spot.
Whoa!
No!
Sir, please be careful.
What? Like, that's a wall.
Well, what a fantastic start to a video. We're here today for an incredible episode of You Make It, We Skate It. It's one of our favorite, most popular series of all time. So if you guys want to be a part of that, definitely send us an email. But right in here we have a box. So we're gonna open up the box, show you guys what's inside, and then we're gonna build said box. So first off, we will read the note to you guys, and then we will investigate.
Is it a map?
I think so. It's like the map to Braille House 2.0 coming soon. I hope you guys are excited.
This thing falls on your toe, you're losing.
Probably losing it, yeah. This is called the Skateboard. My name is, I don't know if it's Devin or Devon, aka Bizkit from Radcliffe.
Young Biscuit.
What is that? KY, is that Kentucky? Connecticut?
Yeah.
My name is Devon, aka Bizkit from Radcliffe, Kentucky, currently in Newton, Kansas? KS? I don't even know.
Gabe, do you need me to read it?
No, apparently, dude, I don't know. There have been plenty of metal boards on this series, but none that have been welded, so I thought I'd round out the category. It's made from 9x4 11 gauge sheets of metal welded together almost solid, but I've seen the series and I'm willing to put my welding expertise up to the challenge. I doubt you can break this board.
I have no input on that because
Usually that's when we're like,
seem
you are
pretty
gonna break this board? But I actually don't know. These things are freaking tough. Everybody does shout outs. So my Snapchat and Instagram handle are at, oh, I love
Wait,
that,
Gabe,
Parmesan.
Did you say it had
But it's spelled
pre-drilled
funny.
holes?
No, it doesn't. We have to do it ourselves. My Snapchat is public and pretty active. Enjoy. That looks pretty similar, right, Dan?
Stick it in.
Oh, Dan, you can't do that, dude. Oh my God.
Oh, that made a little bit. Why is everyone yelling at me?
All right, so right here, we have the smaller piece of the smaller welded piece of skateboard. This is tiny. This is smaller than a penny board, but there's actually a nose and tail. Quite impressive. And then here, this is the real big boy he's talking about. So these are all of the metal plates that were put together. You think this should be the bottom?
No.
I feel like it has concave.
Yeah, that should be the bottom.
This should be the bottom?
Yeah.
Okay. Like that?
Yeah. Do the small one.
You do the small one. You got this, Dan. I'll put that one together, you do the small one. $10 says that doesn't line up even remotely close.
You motherfucker, crooked as hell. Look how crooked you marked it.
One side on. Got it. That's it, baby. Oh! Oh!
This thing is a tank. Nonsense. You missed the spot.
Help me out, Dan. Thank you for your service. All right, Dan, go ahead and drop in.
First of all, I don't think I'm dropping in.
No, go ahead, you got it.
But I will speed
Just drop in.
it. It's just really heavy. That's not that hard.
So we're gonna finish off with this Nigel line, then we're gonna go to Fremont and finish the video there. So we'll see you in a smidge.
You know what, Gabe? Yeah. You are so good looking. Like, bro, the hair, majestic. It's magical.
Well, I got a little something for you.
I gotta go.
No, I'll come back. All right, we're here today. Is the next day at Fremont Skate Park with our You Make It, We Skate It boards, the forged metal plates. We're here today with special guests, the Bustin' team, with
Yak.
Leon,
Jackson!
and Clark. And they're here today to help us out conduct our You Make It, We Skate It experiments on these their skateboards.
That's not nice.
I was really hoping it would like blow up the skate park. As you guys can see, this is very heavy, and all right, you're first, my friend.
Wait, I want to be first.
Alrighty.
Oh wait, you want to be first?
Yeah.
Oh, go ahead. Or you want to start by trying this, or should we all kickflip off with the small board? Did he say he wanted to drop into the pool with that?
Yeah.
No, Dave. Like, at what point is he?
Somebody didn't put the trucks up properly.
It's really good for Manny.
Dang.
Get a line.
Whoa.
Okay.
His feet are so small, it works perfectly. All right, who wants to do a kickflip off?
How's this work?
Aha!
Yes.
You two are last.
Okay.
Third or fourth? Dang, I'm third.
It's so close.
Dude, this is actually pretty heavy, right?
It's not that bad.
How did it feel when you flicked it?
Just get a good pop.
It works pretty well. It's just the wide trucks kind of throw it off.
Oh, okay.
Oh my!
Come on!
I didn't know if it was heavy.
You're letting us down!
I want to get close.
I'm the best, I know.
Who is this kid?
Okay. Now the key is you just gotta drop in.
All right.
Oh my god, it's a gas well.
Oh wait.
It's downhill.
Oh!
The key is to drop in.
Wow, that took for it.
I'm stunned!
One more try, one more try. Get it.
Okay, I feel it.
Don't forget to drop in though.
Going on the top rope.
There we go.
Alright, my turn.
Hold up. Nigel! Gonna drop in on this.
Oh my.
Hey, remember that one time at Woodward when you dropped in on Vert on all the crazy boards?
No. 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 No.
Oh, it's in your hands now. Can't be taken away. Oh my god, no!
Do you not remember the tiny board that I almost died on? I'm never doing this again.
We have a contender.
Go for it.
Hold on, what way does it roll?
To the left. If it's that way, to the right if it's the other way.
Full send!
I feel like we should warm up on a smaller one.
Yeah, probably.
That was the sickest thing I've ever seen. That was unbelievable.
God, that was the scariest thing I think I've ever done. Oh my god.
Wow. On tiny boards on 40.5.
Wow.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, who next?
How?
No.
Which one did you go down with? The
I did it with
B?
the B in the front.
How in the world?
But like, alright.
Nigel, will you do this one?
That one's heavy.
Don't let it fall, it's hella heavy.
God. No. Sir, please be careful.
What? I have no idea what I'm doing.
Oh! Oh my! Oh my God! I thought it was gonna shoot you out.
Yeah, I almost did.
That's insane. I don't know how he did that. Oh! Whoa! Hey, and he stayed on it too. Yeah!
Got it, baby.
Yeah! Whoa! No! The ankles.
It's a good one. I like it. I like it. That on the vert ramp, easy, first try. I think.
Oh, on the vert? Yeah.
Where's the pequeña one? The little.
So sketchy.
What happened to the little boy?
I don't know, Dan.
Fast because it's heavy.
Yeah. It's like he tries to grab it and it just falls to the
It's so
ground.
heavy. It's so heavy. It's
like trying to catch Thor's hammer.
Right now, you can have my life. I don't need it anymore. That's crazy.
Oh, there it is. I'm gonna pay for this.
Yeah! Yeah, he did!
There's my last day. It's over. I'm
Bye,
done.
Nigel.
Hey,
It was an
take
honor.
this.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I have one word
got-
for this.
What is that?
I think he's on horse steroids. He injects horse steroids right in his calf
Just
before every
and
session.
then he's just like, ah, let's go.
Human growth. Move! What is he doing?
He's sending.
He needs to announce.
He doesn't have that mindset yet. It takes you one way.
Very good.
You got it. Yeah. Oh!
Oh my God. My heart.
I'm done.
I thought that was your legs, brother. Yeah. I thought your legs were just gonna get sheared right off.
Send it.
That
That was nuts.
That was amazing. And
Okay, what else?
was incredible.
All right. Okay.
full of surprises. I love this.
All right.
Hey! Dang!
Oh my God, that was good.
Woo!
Oh!
Woo!
That was so clean.
What?
That's it.
Wow!
I loved it. He's creating so much magic today.
It kind of looks like a could
Man, bear, wolf.
Who is this guy?
man bear pig.
Ghost bear.
A huge thanks to our friend for sending us these boards. If you have your own idea for You Make It, We Skate It, send it. Send an email to skateit@brailleskateboarding.com. Also, a huge thanks to Bustin' Boards and their team for coming out here and shredding this video. They're incredible, so definitely check them out. Link in the description below. There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and we will see you guys tomorrow.